Hi, let's see how to fix the Astro A50 would charge. The first fix is checking charger, cable and the charging point. Inspect charger and the cable. Check the charger and the cable for any visible damage or wear. Test with different charger. Try using a different charger to eliminate the possibility of a faulty charger. Clean charging port. Gently clean the charging port on the headset using a soft brush or compressed air to remove any debris. Fix number two is performing a hard reset on the Astro A50 headset. Connect USB cable, plug the USB cable directly into the A50 wireless headset. Turn on the power, ensure the power switch on the headset is on position. Press and hold the buttons simultaneously. Press and hold the game button and Dolby button for 30 seconds. Release buttons after 30 seconds. Release the buttons and attempt to charge the headset again. The fix number three is alternative charging methods. Use wall charger. Connect the headset directly to the wall charger using a USB cable. Bypass dock. Avoid using the charging dock and connect the USB cable directly to the headset for charging. The fix number four is reset your Astro A50 headset. Place the headset on the dock to ensure it's powered on. Press and hold the Dolby button and game button simultaneously. Hold both buttons for 15 seconds. The headset will reboot automatically, indicating a successful reset. So this is how you can fix the particular error, that is Astro A50 charge. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the channel. See you on all. Thank you. Bye bye.